Dom here from Essential RC. You may recall from my previous video I introduced you to this perfect combination of the OMPHobby M1 RC helicopter and the RadioMaster Pocket radio transmitter. A combination that is pre-set up for you to fly the M1 helicopter straight out of the box after charging up the flight battery and putting 2 lithium-ion batteries in the radio transmitter. So my first flight of this proper collective pitch helicopter was indoors at home in my living room, which was successful. But when you're flying something like a proper collective pitch helicopter, even the largest room at home can seem quite restrictive, quite constrained. So with that done, I really needed to get outside and fly this with unrestricted movement. Just to restate that the OMPHobby M1 is a collective pitch helicopter. The throttle stick starts in the middle position, at neutral pitch position, as opposed to a stabilized helicopter where it starts at the bottom. You have 3 options for head speed, flight modes 1, 2 and 3, and you'll also have 3 rate settings: low, medium and high rates, and you have angle mode and 3D mode. I'm going to do some flying now to show how easy it is to fly this M1 in an open outside environment. Now, full disclosure, I was flying around and really enjoying myself, but of course you're trying to learn and you try new things, and occasionally it does go wrong and you crash. The great thing is that the M1 is a pretty robust little helicopter. It is quite difficult to break it or damage it. And here I am, I hit the ground relatively hard, although the grass is quite soft. And I just checked it after I picked it up, put it back on the pad and took off and started practicing again. The worst that's going to happen is that you will break something. Fortunately, you can get spares for this quite easily. The OMPHobby M1 RC helicopter is available in orange and yellow. It already includes Sunny Sky brushless main and tail motors. Flying weight is approximately 118 grams with the included 2S 350 mAh 50C battery. You can order it with 2 or 3 of those. Maximum flying time on those batteries is 8 minutes of normal flying, and they say 3 to 4 minutes of aggressive 3D flying. I hope you enjoyed my little demo there of flying the OMP M1 RC helicopter outside with the RadioMaster Pocket Radio. A great combination for first time collective pitch helicopter pilots if you don't want to go through the challenge of setting up the radio transmitter by yourself. It's already done for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. See you again soon.